Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an unresponsive controller on your Xbox Series X. So there's a couple of methods you can use so that you can fix this issue. So the first one is by checking if there's an update available for your controller. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage, and then select the settings icon that appear on top of the screen. Select that. And then from here, scroll down and select devices and connections, and then choose controllers and headset. And then this will launch Xbox accessory, and then you should find that Xbox controller that is giving you problems, and then select the three dots that appear, and then select no update available, and then select update now, and it should automatically update that particular controller. So if that doesn't work, you can simply restart your controller. So all you have to do is simply press and hold the Xbox button on your controller to turn it off. So press and hold to turn it off, and that will turn off that controller. And then to restart it, just simply press and hold the Xbox button, and that should restart the controller. So if that doesn't fix your issues, you can simply reset your Xbox controller. And to do this, all you have to do is find this button, the sync button on your controller. This is the sync button. And all you have to do is press and hold this button for around 15 to 20 seconds until you hear two vibrations. So press and hold that button. Keep holding. You'll see the light flashing. Keep holding. Keep holding. Now once you feel the vibrations, release that particular button, and that will reset that controller. So if this doesn't fix this issue, you can simply restart your console. So just restart your console, and hopefully that will fix that particular issue. So those are the few steps that you can use to fix unresponsive controller on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.